So I came to the store a little bit early today because I wanted to test this deal on the Oral-B replacement heads. So I saw when I was walking the store last night that these are on sale. Buy one, get back a $10 extra buck with a limit of two. So that means we can buy two of them and get back 20 or buy one and get back 10. I'm gonna buy two of these that are $8.49 because these are also marked as included in this promotion. So with no coupons needed, anyone can do this deal. Pick up two of these for $8.49. That should total you up to $16.98. If you do have any applicable coupons or percentage coupons, you can add those in to reduce your out-of-pocket. But paying the $16.98, I'm going to be rolling some extra bucks. You should get back $20 for two of these. So let's test that out. And look at this, you guys. Here is my receipt. I did get back the $20. So two of these are free plus a $3 moneymaker with no coupons needed.